Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you to the World Sikh Parliament for this special 4th annual convening. Representing the Sikh nation is a crucial cause as we undergo such a period of turmoil. My name is Jasleen Kaur, and I'm proud to be here as a young Sikh woman from Queens, New York. And I want to thank Jagpreet Singh, Sarika Kumar, Vrinder Singh Ji for our political work in Queens for the Sikh community, and also for all the incredible women to my right over here who have shared and will share some impeccable views about the work that they do for our communities. Sikhs in this world have been courageous in the face of oppression. From partition in 1947 to the Sikh genocide in 1948, the farmers' protest, and now the murder of Shaheed Bhai Hardeep Singh Nijjar in Canada. It is crucial then that young people, and young women specifically of today and future generations, know the history of Sikhs. I think particularly of Gadar Diti, Gulab Kaur, who mobilized Indians to demand freedom from British rule alongside the powerful Gadar Party. And today we are fighting against Indian rule over Sikhs for generations. I think of women during the farmers' protest, who marched for miles and cooked and sang and kept the movement alive. I want to quote Jasbir Kaur, 74 years old from Uttar Pradesh, who said, "Why should we go back? This is not just the men's protest. We toil in the fields alongside men. Who are we if not farmers?" A strong movement requires everyone to be in solidarity and in unison. And when we are confronted with the Indian government targeting and killing our people, we have no choice but to establish Sikh sovereignty together. Because what we are seeing today is plain and simple: right-wing Hindutva fascism. And we must stand united because it is our right to establish Khalistan sovereignty and fight against human rights violations against Sikhs. The seva that we do is vital to our Sangat, and the work of the Khalistani referendum is an important cause, from California to Canada to New York and to Punjab. I believe then that it is crucial for young Sikhs to know this history and take action for justice. Our future is at stake, and youth must be in spaces like the World Sikh Parliament here today to ensure that democracy can prevail. The right to political action is ours to hold, and the Indian government cannot take that away from us. I humbly ask the World Sikh Parliament to encourage young women so that we may be present in these rooms to decide our futures. Because the work of Sikhi is impossible without women at the table. We must also prevent our youth from steering into right-wing fascist views that harm our communities. And young Sikhs must be able to advocate for our communities without fear of retaliation and fearing for the sanctity of our lives. After all, it is the young musicians too, Sidhu Moosewala, Shubh Singh, A.P. Dillon, and many others that young people look up to, who are being targeted and threatened by the Indian government every single day. So there is a common thread between attacks against India, attacks from Canada, against Canada and the United States, the military attacks against Palestine, ongoing for decades, and uprisings around the world. We must be united across generations and across struggles to rise up and resist. I fully stand with the World Sikh Parliament in all of these struggles. मैं थोड़े नाल करिया जित्थे भी आपे आवाज़ उठा सकता आपा उठावांगे. Thank you so much.